Hello and welcome to Nigeria Infusions. Today I'll show you how I prepare this yummy, delicious vegan vegetarian chickpeas mixed bell peppers curry. To get started, you need to add oil in a pan. About a tablespoon or two is fine, or 1.5 is fine. Then you toss in the onion. You just want the onion sweated down, which is translucent. You don't want it fried. Then you add in minced garlic and minced ginger. You give it a good stir, then goes in the mixed bell peppers, tomatoes, as well as scotch bonnet or arborio pepper or red eye bed chili. Then goes in the chickpeas. You can use canned cheese, but I made mine from raw to fresh. So goes in the tomato puree, then the vegetable stock. I bought the vegetable cube, then added all water to melt it down. Next, you want to add in curry powder. It's good that the thing with this curry paste is that I know when you say curry, people automatically think you need to put a lot of curry. No, what you need is the masala powder. So you add in the curry, you add in cumin, you add in coriander, then finally the masala. The masala is what actually gives your curry that yummy, tasty flavor. So it's not actually the curry powder. So you want to give it a good stir. You cook down, then you add some chopped parsley or coriander. I prefer coriander. I prefer parsley to coriander. So here is the final dish. It looks so beautiful and so yummy. This week I and my family were trying out all kind of vegan meal, and so far it's been a hit. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and to subscribe.